Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is Shuri from the Navigation Disk, and I'm going to show you the latest SD card of this R300 Panasonic that I'm going to ship to our customer in Malawi. So before shipping from my warehouse, I would like to show you how the actual SD card is gonna looks like, so you guys understand. Please make sure you don't buy any fake or copy, because the copy won't give you all the feature. This has been imported from Japan from auctions. It's a very beautiful and plug and play SD card. There is a lock button over there, yellow portion. The sticker is referring in Japanese language, and it's a 2013 version Panasonic R300 M3K double wide 000174. So it's a class 10 SDHC card. So if you see any card SDHC8, surely that's not a real one. So try to save this image in your future reference. If you are looking for SD card, give me a buzz. The price is around $80 to $90, including DHL shipping. It's 3 days delivery. The world fastest delivery agency and company is NavigationDisk. We have lots of reference around the world. So why you need this card? So once you have this card, you will get back your FM multimedia. You can able to control your back camera, contrast ratio, and every stuff. So right now only you can able to use the reverse camera, but no control over there. So definitely you must have it. We do have lots of stuff over there. Keep watching our channel and subscribe, so I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Catch you. Bye.